So jumping right into the shower, we are stepping into step 1, which is to prep our hair. Before we add any products, we want to really spend some time saturating our hair. Just really giving the water a chance to kind of loosen what products we already have on it. So we're going to spend a good 7 to 10 minutes just solely focusing on that. Now once we have the hair all nice and saturated, I personally like to section and detangle my hair with a conditioner with a lot of slip, and this just saves me a lot of time and headache, and it makes the entire washing process just so much easier. So jumping into step 2, which is to clarify. A clean foundation is so important to get in a silky press. You don't want any old product or buildup on your hair prior to adding heat, because this will cause the hair to not become silky, and it can also cause damage. So clarifying your hair is how we create an environment for moisture to actually penetrate into the hair once we get to conditioning. Now when it comes to shampooing, we aren't going to only focus on our scalp or the roots of our hair. We also want to ensure that the length of our hair is cleansed as well. So the method that I like to use when shampooing, we'll call it the SMS method, which stands for stretch, massage, and smooth. It ensures that every strand is cleansed, and it also prevents tangles. We grab a section of hair, we stretch it out holding it tight, slide our fingers into the roots, massage and really work the shampoo in, and then smooth the shampoo down the length of the hair. Twice with a clarifying shampoo and once with a moisturizing shampoo. Speaking of moisturizing, our hair is like a sponge. Once our hair is full of moisture, it'll begin to repel, meaning it won't be as affected by humidity as if it was looking for moisture to absorb. My favorite option is a steamer, but a cap and a hooded dryer works well too. Whatever method you decide, focus on more water than treatment. Now once we're done treating the hair, we're going to rinse with cold water. Nowadays it's up for debate on whether or not the cold water actually helps to close the cuticle, but it can't hurt, so we're going to do it anyway. Which takes us into step 4, which is the blow drying process. Before we get into blow drying, we're going to prep the hair with a heat protectant leave-in. This helps to prepare and protect the hair from the heat that we're about to apply. We're also going to apply a serum, which contains silicones that help to smooth the hair, protects the hair from humidity, and it also provides a shine. But remember, less is more. Too much product can weigh the hair down, causing it to become a stiff press and not a silk press. Now, once we get to actually blow drying our hair, we want to go in smaller sections, and we want smooth passes aiming downward. You want to blow the hair in the direction that you want it to be in. If your roots are kinkier, try using a dimming brush for added tension. And if the brush is a bit hard for you, then try the tension method along with the comb attachment. And this is what your hair should look something like. We want to get it as straight as we can with the blow dryer. Which leads us into step 5, which is to straighten. Now I want to put this out there. You do not need titanium plates for a good press. I actually would not recommend a titanium flat iron if you A, aren't a professional, B, if your hair is not at its peak health, and C, if you care or are worried about your curl pattern. Titanium plates heat very quickly, leaving areas of the plates hotter than others, which can result in heat damage, versus ceramic that heats slowly and evenly, providing a consistent temperature throughout. So just keep that in mind when you decide on a flat iron. Also, we do not need our irons on 450 degrees. We are burning our hair. If you feel like you have to go that high of a temperature, that means that you did not do the proper prep work. It is in the prep work, it is not in the flat iron, and how high you can get it to go. My iron stayed on 390 degrees throughout this video, and we only did one pass. And if you're going to use the chase method, I recommend a carbon comb. The little regular 2 for 99-cent Rattail combs, they're made of plastic, they're just going to melt. A carbon comb is made to withstand the heat. So we're going to take thin, flat parts, and we're going to go down each section slowly and smoothly. Now, if you don't know what the chase method is, it is where you use the comb to guide the flat iron down your hair. This helps to ensure any little tangles and bends are taken care of before the heated plate sets them in place. So again, you want slow, smooth passes. So you really want to take your time and you do not want to rush it. If you rush it, it's going to show and you're going to end up doing more passes than you need to. once you have taken your time and gone through your whole head, you are going to get some results that look something like this. Shiny, silky, and smooth. And you did it by yourself. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you achieve the press that you've been looking for. I hope I provided you some knowledge and some tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next week.